Happy New Year! I'm Peter and I'm the Kitchen Gamer. To start this year off, we're going to make some banana bread. So, let's get right into it.
Grab your self-raising flour and baking powder and sift them together into your bowl. Don't forget to preheat your oven as well at this point. Now add your sugar and don't forget to mix it in, then put the bowl to one side. In your new bowl, add 2 eggs and beat them together. Having beaten your eggs, add your melted butter, milk and mashed bananas to the egg mix and beat them all together. Having mixed the wet ingredients together, now pour into the bowl with the dry ingredients and mix together thoroughly. Now you've completed the mixing, spoon it into a greased bread tin and bake for 45 to 55 minutes. With the banana bread now baked, leave it to cool for 10 minutes in the tin before turning it out onto the cooling rack to complete its cooling. I hope that you've enjoyed learning how to make banana bread with me. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and check out the recommended video. So until next time, enjoy the kitchen.